In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most... Today, the topic of my speech is the sacrifices of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. Dear audience, the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about his beloved companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu, "Hubbu Abi Bakr wa shukruhu wajibun ala ummati," aw kama qala alayhi salatu wassalam. Shaykh Ibn Jawzi said that the ancestors taught their children the love of Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar Farooq radhiyallahu anhu, as they taught them the surah of Holy Quran. Dear audience, who is Abu Bakr? He was the first man to accept Islam. Who is Abu Bakr? He was the first man to collect Quran. Who is Abu Bakr? He was the first caliph of Islam. Who is Abu Bakr? He was the first preacher of Islam. He was the first who built a mosque in Islam. Dear audience, he was the only one amongst the companions whose 4 generations accepted Islam, and all were the companions of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, he was with the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the migration to Medina, and Allah Almighty Himself gave him the title of Sani Isnaini Zuma fil Ghar. Dear honorable judges, Hazrat Talha, Hazrat Zubair, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Usman Ghani radhiyallahu anhu, all these companions of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam embraced Islam on his hand. Dear audience, dear honorable judges, the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to spend his money as he spent his own money. And in front of all the companions, once he said that the money of Abu Bakr helped me a lot. At that moment, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu stood up amongst all the companions, and he said to the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam that I and my everything is for you. Now, my dear friends, my dear teachers, all of you have experienced life. All of you are master of the art of living. You know that in life there are many people who come and claim to be your friend. They say that they will be with you in your hard times, in your difficult times. They will be with you, they will help you. But when the need arises, they ran away. But Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu stood by the side of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during his entire life. No matter he had to came any hurdle, it didn't matter to him that he had to fight his father. It didn't matter he had to fight his son. It didn't matter he had to fight his people. It didn't matter he had to fight his tribe. It didn't matter he had to fight his family. It didn't matter that he had to leave his homeland and migrate to another land. It didn't matter that he had to give his body, he had to give his life, he had to give his soul for the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It didn't matter he had to give his money for the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He did everything that a man could do for someone. He gave his everything to the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He spent a large amount of money during his entire life for the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's why the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that ma nafani malu ahadin qattu ma nafani malu Abi Bakr, aw kama qala alayhi salatu wassalam. Dear audience, he participated in the battle of Badr, and his son Hazrat Abdul Rahman also participated with the polytheists. When he embraced Islam, one day he said to his father that I aimed at you on the day of Badr. I turned away and did not kill you because you were my father. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu said to his son that if you were at my target, I would have killed you because you were fighting against Islam, because you were fighting against the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Due to his bravery, due to his hard efforts, due to his sacrifices, he got this status as the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Likulli nabiyyin rafiqun wa rafiqi fil jannah Abu Bakr."